Hi, welcome to Pharmaceutical Concept, a channel for health and willingness and pharmaceutical sciences. Why separate manufacturing facilities required for manufacturing of penicillin and non-penicillin products? Beta-lactam ring present in the penicillin is responsible for the antimicrobial activity. Beta-lactam antibodies include penicillin, ampicillin, oxacillin, cephalosporins, PENEMS, imipenem, meropenem. Immunoglobulins show hypersensitivity to the penicillin molecule in allergic people. A skin test is done to determine that penicillin is allergic to the person or not. Cross-contamination between beta-lactam and non-beta-lactam should be avoided, and cross-contamination between penicillin beta-lactam and non-penicillin beta-lactam should be avoided. Separate manufacturing facility for beta-lactam and non-beta-lactam API and finished products should be done. Thanks for your time. Subscribe, like, share. Pharmaceutical Concept, a channel for health and willingness.